As an international speaker, TL speaks to teens and disadvantaged youth about pursuing personal greatness by utilizing their natural gifts and talents to build their dreams. So, if you are ready to take your public speaking skills to the next level, please help me welcome Thomas Lynch from Dream to Inspire.
Good morning, PCA. Good morning. Raise your hand if you enjoy public speaking. Now, well, if you avoid public speaking, keep your hand up. I want to see who you are. Okay. Very good. Now, look over to your neighbor, and I want you to repeat after me on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I hope. He picks you first. Feel the love of the room. Have to be able to talk. Eye contact. Preparation. Breathing. Yes. He was 13 years old. Little scrawny kid, short kid from Cleveland, Ohio, who kept to himself. He said, Thomas, here's what you do. On a sheet of paper, I want you to write down all of your negative beliefs, all of your fears of public speaking. And on the reverse side, I want you to write down positive statements that you can say to replace those negative beliefs and fears. Maybe we're doing some awkward movements or pacing the floor a lot. I don't know if you see speakers do that, where they're nervous and they pace around. It's a little distracting, isn't it? Most times we're trying to figure out what to do with that nervous energy, and they think that moving a lot will keep the audience engaged, but sometimes it can be too distracting for your audience. Tackling the fear of public speaking is the most important step to start with, because if you don't tackle that fear first, then nothing else really is going to matter. Because if you don't build your confidence to trust that you know what you're going to say to your audience and that you're there to serve your audience, then it's going to be an uphill battle. So you have to tackle your public speaking fears. So it's important to understand what you're saying to yourself about your abilities. Oh, you might think, I'm not a good speaker, or no one cares about what I have to say. Well, if you believe that, then
So, what did you think about today's presentation with Thomas Lynch?
It was amazing. I have been waiting for this presentation for a long time because I cannot pull up the PC just as the camera's in my face. I cannot public speak. So
No, you can't say that though. Public speaking, hey,
right, I have to
control the breath, you can control the heart. You know, it's like
just relax and pause. I'm definitely going to fill out the paperwork and hopefully turn it around for myself.
awesome. Thank you.
I am going to turn it around.
What are we saying? Hello. So, Thomas Lynch, we just got out of his presentation. What did you guys think?
Yeah, hey guys, it was awesome. A lot of great information, and definitely have to sign up for that public speaking. So great turnout today. Thank you.
And I already have noticed an improvement in my speaking style just from seeing his presentation without even going to the class. When I did my 30 seconds after that, I was cueing in on points that he had made and noticing the things I was doing that I needed to change. Hey. Thomas Lynch is a great presenter.
Hey, thank you, Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas.
We look forward to having you out again. And I think I'm signing up, but thank you.
Good job. Thanks.
Hello. All right, so we just got Thomas Lynch's presentation. So what do you guys think?
It was really exciting. We learned some really good tips.
Yes. And we are here.
Afterwards, we'll come back to
today's presentation with Thomas Lynch as far as public speaking. So what do you think?
I think it's amazing. Anything that gets people out of their comfort zone and out of their fear of public speaking, and just getting there to better promote your product, better promote your business, I think is awesome. So the keynotes for me was just the breathing, relaxing. If you can just take a little bit from every time, I think you're going to be in good shape.
Awesome. So you're going to sign up for the class?
I'm going to try to sign up the company for the class.
There you go.